Hello guys, welcome back to MithunDiaries. Ever wondered why some YouTube videos suddenly explode while others, even with the same effort, barely move? Is it the luck? Is it the timing? Or is there something deeper happening behind the scenes? Today, I am going to pull back the curtain and share something I have never openly explained before. This video is about my own channel, MithunDiaries, and the algorithm secrets. Not just theory, not just guesses, but real patterns I observed from my own videos that went viral. From Chikmagalur festival coverage to simple tech videos like Canon scanner setups, I noticed something interesting. These videos didn't just perform well because of good visuals or clean editing. They worked because they aligned perfectly with how the YouTube algorithm thinks. In this video, we are going to dissect the algorithmic DNA behind those hits so you can apply the same blueprint to your own content. Before we go any further, let me make one thing very clear. This video is not about showing off the past success. This is about reverse engineering what worked so that I can repeat it intentionally and you can avoid years of trial and error. MithunDiaries is a channel where travel meets reality, tech meets practicality, and local stories meet global platforms. That diversity actually helped me understand the algorithm better because when the same channel works in completely different niches, you know something deeper is happening. That something is what I call algorithmic DNA. Algorithmic DNA is not a feature, it's not a secret setting, it's a pattern. It's a combination of viewer behavior, timing, search intent, emotional relevance, and problem solving value. The YouTube algorithm doesn't promote videos, it promotes viewer satisfaction. Once I understood that, everything changed. Let me prove this with two very different examples: Chikmagalur festival coverage and Canon scanner setup video. On the surface, they have nothing in common, but algorithmically, they are almost identical. Let's take the example of celebration and festivity of Chikmagalur or any of the temple visit. So let's try to cover with the festival coverage of the Chikmagalur. In one of these videos, this wasn't shot with a viral plan in mind. It was raw, it was local and authentic. But something unexpected happened. The video started getting higher watch time, sudden spikes in regional traffic, shares in WhatsApp and Facebook groups, comments saying this feels real. Why did the algorithm love it? Because it matched three critical signals: timing and search intent. This video was uploaded during the festival period when people were actively searching for festival visuals, live darshan updates, ground reality videos. YouTube saw people clicking the video, watching it longer than average, not skipping after 30 seconds. That tells the algorithm this video satisfies current search intent. The next thing to consider is with the regional authenticity. This video wasn't overproduced. It wasn't cinematic for the sake of it. It felt like I am there with you. This is what it actually looks like. Regional audiences trust authenticity more than perfection. When people feel represented, they don't just watch, they stay. And watch time is one of the strongest ranking signals. Next thing to consider is with the story over shorts. Instead of random clips, the video had arrival, crowd build-up, atmosphere, emotional moments. The viewer didn't know what was coming next, so they stayed. That's algorithmic gold. Let's consider another video which went viral, the Canon scanner setup. Now let's switch the gears completely. A Canon scanner setup video. No travel, no emotions, no festival, yet it performed incredibly well. Why? Because it solved a real pain point. The problem solution framework. People searching for Canon scanner setup are usually frustrated, they are stuck, they are short on time, they don't want theory, all they want is just the answers. This video worked because the title matched the exact problem. The first 10 seconds reassured the viewer, the steps were clear and practical. YouTube noticed something important. People who clicked did not bounce back to search. That's a massive signal. It tells the algorithm this video solved the user's problem. Long tail keywords, long term traffic. This video didn't go viral overnight. Instead, it ranked slowly, brought consistent views, built trust. This is the kind of video that grows your channel silently, trains the algorithm to trust you. There are a few common hidden threads. So what connects a spiritual festival video and a scanner setup tutorial? 3 things to consider. Strong first 30 seconds. Both videos clearly showed what the viewer will get. Removed confusion, created confidence, the algorithm tracks early drop off, early engagement. If people stay, YouTube pushes harder. The next thing was with the clear viewer satisfaction. Not likes, not subscribers, satisfaction. People either felt emotionally connected or practically helped. Both are powerful. The next thing is with the audience feedback loop. Comments played a huge role. When viewers commented, YouTube treats the video as alive. It retests it with new audiences. Replying to comments actually extends a video's lifespan. Let's talk about something most creators misunderstand. Clickbait is not bad. Misleading clickbait is bad. A good title does one thing, creates curiosity while staying honest. A good thumbnail makes the viewer pause scrolling. MithunDiaries thumbnails work because faces showed emotion, text was minimal, visuals matched reality. When title plus thumbnail plus content align, the algorithm rewards you. One hard truth, the algorithm does not care about how hard you worked, how expensive your gear is, how long you edited. It only cares about viewer behavior. That's why checking watch time, audience retention, traffic source is more important than views. Every hit video in MithunDiaries was studied, not celebrated and forgotten. Here is how you apply this. Before uploading, ask who is searching for this? What problem or emotion am I addressing? Why should someone stay till the end? Trends change, algorithms evolve, but human behavior doesn't. If your video respects the viewer's time, YouTube will respect your channel. A few of the content that works for the future would include sustainable travel, AI in daily life, local stories with global relevance, practical tech that saves time. The key is adaptation, not repetition. Mithun Diaries' success was never accidental. It was a result of listening to the audience, respecting the algorithm, and staying authentic. If there is one takeaway from this video, it's this: the algorithm doesn't reward creators, it rewards value. Create value consistently, and virality becomes a byproduct, not a mystery. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Mithun Diaries. And also don't forget to comment below. Do you want the next video to be about content analytics, thumbnail psychology, or real YouTube mistakes? Thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me till the very end. Your time and attention truly means a lot, especially in a world where there is so much content competing for it every single day. The fact that you chose to be here, listening and engaging, is something I genuinely appreciate. I hope this video gave you clarity, value, or at least a new perspective that you can take forward. Whether you are creating content, learning something new, or simply reflecting on your own journey, if even one point from this video helped you think differently or feel inspired, then this effort has been worth it. Please take care, stay curious, and keep experimenting. Growth, whether on YouTube or in life, comes from consistency, learning, and staying true to yourself. Once again, thank you for being here, for your support, and for being part of this journey. And with that said, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have a great day. Bye bye.